The International Seminar for Machining Technologies is necessary in today's world. Oftentimes we get in our own island of understanding and we don't know what the next person is doing. So to be together, to talk about the challenges and to work through partnerships of what to do in the future makes a lot of sense. And you need industry and you need academia and government to all be in that same room to discuss everything from a policy to a project. I love the International Seminar for Machining Technologies, and I was glad to be here and honored to be the keynote this year.
It was a pleasure to be asked to talk at the International Seminar on Advanced Manufacturing Technologies here at IMTEX. It's a really important event that helps to communicate the latest in additive techniques and other advanced technologies to the Indian companies. And it's really important that that education happens to make sure that everyone here is keeping up with the very latest developments from around the world.
At this international machining seminar, we have actually seen many of the trend-setting companies presenting. We were able to cover areas of materials, machining, different methods of machining, tooling, and all that. Very interesting, very current, very high level of speakers at the event. So I'm grateful that I could attend and represent Makino Asia in this event. And I thank the organization, to IMTMA, to put up this kind of platform, which should continue because it's a good opportunity to network, to make connections with people of all kinds of areas surrounding machining technology.
The IMTMA hosted their 8th annual International Seminar on Machining Technologies this year, and I was fortunate enough to participate. I've participated in events like this in the past. I travel and I attend many trade shows, but this one was unique in that they hosted the seminars on a single day before the show opened. And I thought that was interesting, and it felt like it captured the audience a little bit better. And I've been to other big shows where these seminars ran during the show, and I think you fight for an audience. So I appreciate that they put the attention, dedicated a full day to it. And the International Seminar of Machining Technologies, it included a number of topics and sessions, running in parallel, from software solutions to machining solutions to tooling solutions. Some sessions were just on problem solving and for example, dealing with just large parts and everything that entails larger machines and larger work holding. So they're very informative seminars. And I thank IMTMA for inviting me in this year.
Hello friends, I would like to share my experience regarding the 8th International Seminar on Machining Technologies organized by IMTMA in Bangalore on the 23rd of January 2019. This was a great experience. It is also a great initiative by IMTMA, who are connecting different partners all together, and there is huge amount of input which is going on to all the participants in the industry. We had close to 400 participants today, and from every walk of industry, be it cutting tools, machine tools, CAD partners, even from the IITs. And this is something really great which IMTMA has done. And this was a big success, and we also have got a lot of good inputs from the seminar as well. And we hope to participate in more such seminars moving forward. So thank you very much, IMTMA. This was a great initiative. Thank you.
When we talk about IMTMA, so it is always focused on the new trends and technology. So like we are closely associated with IMTMA because of its core focus, like not only about the machinery, so they have several category where they will particularly focus on each field. So not only about mechanical, even they will look into the electronics and other departments. So it is not only the industrial point of view, so then the new people, the students, from the point of educational institute, manufacturer, industry, it is a complete, let's say, conference where we can see all the crowd in one place. So where we can talk about the trends and technology, current manufacturings, the future technologies. So IMTEX and MSc have always worked together in addressing and developing the lot of products. Also it being one of our preferred partner when it comes to the marketing. So overall, I would like to say it is one of the best conference, best and big conference happens in let's say India or South Asia. Thank you.
So we had a great day today at the International Seminar for Manufacturing and Automation. I think our company felt very honored to be at this seminar, being able to present. It has been a great platform for us and still will be for other companies who are going to present. We can learn a lot here. I think the industry is always evolving. It never gets boring in our industry, and the platform of the conferences here for different seminars in different subjects really helps people to understand and strive with the newest technology trends. Thank you.
I also thanks to the possibility to have here an international seminar to show the newest trends at the encoder system and at the controller system. Where are the worldwide trends for the machine technologies? Here, thank you to be invited to one of the presenter here to show what Heidenhain is able to offer. And yeah, thanks to the organization, and hope maybe we have next chance to show the next trends, world trends here in the machine technology.
First time India, first time at this seminar. It was a pleasure to be here. Yeah, organization was perfect. Had a good lunch. All the presentations were very interesting. It goes there. Really, a lot of presentations went in my interests with digitalization, Industry 4.0 and that stuff. So I really liked it. And yeah, from my point of view, there is no open point so far. And I want to thank you, the organization of the international seminar. And I will be here. I think not the last time. So thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm Samir Kelkar. It is my pleasure to be a speaker here again at the ISMT. This is a landmark event that has been organized under IMTEX by IMTMA. Like the vibes that I have received from this event, even the last year and this year, have been really, really good. It is a culmination of a technology from various disciplines, from adaptive technology to 3D printing to automation to machining to non-conventional machining its processes. It's really a very informative seminar and gives peep into the technologies of the future. I'm sure that several companies are benefiting from the seminar and sending their key representatives here to take back something about what is coming up ahead for us in the manufacturing industry. We at Grindmaster are very happy to be associated with this event and with IMTMA. Now in its 50th year, IMTEX has been a landmark event for all of us, and the Indian machine tool industry has really come a long, long way along with IMTMA and IMTEX. And I am really happy to say that we are start being considered as a major industry, as a global player, the machine tool industry from India. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Daniel Felber from the company Agathon. It's my second time participating at the IMTEX, and I was amazed about the progress that has been done during the last 2 years. I'm the sales director of Agathon, a machine manufacturer in Switzerland for grinding and laser processing machines, mainly focusing on hard and super hard materials. Today I found a very well organized seminar where a lot of content has been delivered from the suppliers to the audience. It was very interesting to see also the progresses and that the focus of the Indian market is actually on efficiency. So there I feel a total conversion. I had a speech too, and in the speech I was focusing on two of our many options that we have within our machines. One was the adaptive infeed that helps you controlling the infeed of a machine by monitoring the force. And on the other hand side, I introduced the Neo, a laser roughing machine, mainly focusing on roughing of PCD or super hard materials. Thank you very much.
My name is Mohit Law. I am a faculty member at the Indian Institute of Technology at Kanpur, where I teach and do research both in the area of machine tools. Our primary focus in our lab is on machine tool dynamics, where we're interested in understanding how machines vibrate, and not just machines but also cutting tools, with the purpose of trying to understand not just how they vibrate but try to avoid these vibrations and also control them. I am here for the seminar series that IMTMA has organized as part of the IMTEX 2019. I think this is an excellent initiative. What IMTMA, which is the Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association, has clearly got right is has appreciated the importance of machine tools in the country, because this is something which is so strategic for us, because the machine tools, as you might know, is the mother industry. The value it adds in terms of jobs as well as value in terms of monetary value is just tremendous. And the purpose of bringing together people to show what new they are doing in the area is, I think, of tremendous consequence, not just for the people who are displaying their products, but also for people who are potential customers, because it essentially shows you what is happening in the country. The seminar series that I was part of here for today was also an excellent symposium and a combination of both new technologies by companies as well as some new R&D ideas by academia as well. I was very glad to be part of this, and I wish IMTMA the best and expect that they will be continuing to do such interesting work in the future too. Thank you.
Okay, first of all, I just want to say that I really like and really love to come to India in general, because it's always very impressive to see the developments going on in this country. This time, I'm happy that we as a silver sponsor, which was a very good decision to go for that, joining the IMTEX and especially the today's conference. Today's conference and the international setup and the international speakers or group of speakers shows what's going on in this fantastic country, so in India. And I'm sure that we will do a very good step forward in our next year's activities. IMTEX is for us is one of the most important shows in general, and what we see is the high development in very different and very wide range of technology, of industry. So a lot of industry is coming to India. A lot of industry will be settled here in the future, even more than today. And this is where we will support and where we do everything to support the industry to become successful in the world market. Yeah, my name is Hans-Peter zur Westen. I'm the head of sales international of Tyrolit. We are manufacturer now for 100 years, so our company was established 1919 and specialized in grinding and cutting tools for a very big variety of industries, from automotive to precision, medical industry, aerospace turbine industry, up to steel and foundry with special solutions. We are located in Austria, and yeah, I'm already looking forward to be back in India.
Hello, I am Dr. Harshad Sonawane. I am working as a manager in Dr. Kalam Center for Innovation, Bharat Sfrizverna. So speaking about the 8th International Seminar on Machining Technologies, today we have experienced a lot of, we have heard and we have interacted a lot of eminent speakers. So I was one of them. So particularly talking about the research and development. So if you talk about the machine tool technologies, there were a lot of eminent speakers, and they have enlightened so many aspects of machine tools, and that platform was open for everybody. So for an example, like people have talked about dampening, how we can introduce dampening in the machine tool. Then thermal aspects, how we can improve the present structures thermally as well as mechanically, and one step ahead, like how we can avoid the chatter using stability lobe diagram. So all these recent technologies, those we were thinking like those were like far away to achieve, those are coming in recent trends of a machine tool. So as a summary, I can say that it was a great platform for everybody where they can easily meet and contact the eminent speakers and experts on this platform, and they can take some knowledge forward, and it can also motivate these people to think about machine tool as in terms of research and development. Thank you.